Welcome back to Zoom. So this is going to be the 7th video of our data entry course which we have already started. So guys, here on the screen you can see this is the client instruction which he shared with me related to this project. Basically he's saying that visit the website. Okay, so here is the URL of this website, and then he's saying that navigate through the list of professional available on the page, open individual profile to access detailed information, collect the following detail of for each professional. Okay, then name, number, address, email and website. Okay, so we will be collecting all this data guys. So I have already copied this URL and then I will paste it here. Okay, so here you can see guys, I have already pasted here, and if I just show you here, you can see there are multiple professional available guys. So we will be collecting these people data, and also I want to tell you that I tried to collect this data automatically with the help of a few tools, but it didn't work guys. Okay, so it's mean that we will be collecting this data manually, because it's not possible to collect this data guys automatically. Okay, so anyway, the process are very simple. I will be showing you step by step. Okay guys, so here now you can see this is the data which we'll be collecting. So first guys, I will be open Excel. Okay, so now here I will just type name. Okay, then I will type email, number. Okay, so I think this is the information now which we need and we will be collecting. Okay, so let's select this, and let's also do some formatting here guys, and we will increase the size, and okay, it will be looking good. Okay guys, so now let's start. So first guys, I will just click on this person profile. Okay, and now here you can see we will just collect the person full name. Okay, and then we will paste it here. Okay, now let's go and collect this person address. Okay, just copy, and here we will paste it. Okay, and now guys, I will just go down. Here is their person contact, I mean their email address. You can see it's already mentioned, so just copy and control plus V. Okay, we'll paste it here. Now we will just copy this person website. Okay, so just copy the person website and then paste it here. Okay, now we will copy the person phone number guys. Okay, so let's copy the person phone number here. As you can see, just copy. Okay, so guys, just look at here. So let me paste it, the phone number. Okay, so it's working guys. Remember, so when you're pasting the phone number here, if it's not working, I mean if the plus icon is not visible here, so I think it's very important you need to paste full number here. So then in this case guys, you will need to click here. Okay, and then you will need to select the format cell. Okay, so just click on it. Okay, then guys, here you can see it will be selecting the journal, so you will need to change this to text. Okay, so you will need to select this one guys, it's very important. Okay, so you will need to select the text and then you will need to click okay. Okay, now it's done. So now the process are very simple guys. You will just need to copy and paste the work. Okay, so let me do another entry also. So just click on it. Okay, and then copy the first name. Okay, paste it here, then go down and copy the her address. Okay, and paste it here. Okay, now we will copy email address. So just copy the email address and we will paste it here. Okay, control plus V, then her telephone number. So just copy. Very simple process guys. Okay, so just copy and paste, and then we will copy her website URL. Okay, so I will just go down here. You can see guys, her website is available, so I will just copy. Okay, and then I will paste it here. Okay, so you can see guys, that's very simple process. I already complete 2 entry. Now let me do another. So this one will be the last entry, and then I hope you already understand the whole process. But anyway, so just click on this person profile. Okay, and then just copy the person full name. Okay, and then paste it here. So guys, you can create a data entry portfolio from this project. Okay, so I will provide you the link in the video description. So just open so just copy and paste the link. Okay, in Google, and then you will be able to get all this data, guys. Okay, so then you can copy and paste all the data, and you can create a portfolio for yourself, and then you can show to any client that, hey, I have data entry experience. You can see I have collect all this data for client. Okay, so you can show experience to client. Okay, so just paste it. Okay, and then copy, and then also copy this contact number. Okay guys, so it's very simple. Okay, then copy the then copy her website URL. Okay, so it's very simple, just paste it here. Okay guys, so you saw it's very simple. There are nothing difficult. If you have any kind of issue, please let me know. And also guys, I hope you have already watched my previous videos, which you can see we have started a complete series. So if you haven't watched the past video, please also watch it. You can see this will be the 7th video of this course. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. See you later. Bye.